you're going to wear this skin for the rest of your life, so you would want to take care of it well. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be doing a review on Pure Skin lotion. So Pure Skin is a lotion that is made in Ivory Coast. This lotion is made in Ivory Coast. It weighs 500 ml, and I'm not sure about the price, but it should not be more than 3,000 naira. I think it's between 8,500 to 3,000 naira. It shouldn't be more than that. So I'll just go through the benefits of this lotion. This lotion is said to give a radiant and bright complexion, but I'll just personally give you this is my personal review because I had a personal experience with this lotion. So I'll just tell you what I experienced with this lotion. I don't know about any other person's review or their experience. This is my experience with this Pure Skin lotion, so I'll just spit it out the way it is. Yes, I am actually excited talking about this lotion because it's something I have used before. It's something I have used, and I used this lotion when I was my second year in the university. I have used this lotion, so I can tell you first-hand information about this cream. So what happened was that I actually saw my roommate rubbing the cream after taking her bath, and I was like, the skin is fine though, the skin is nice, so let me see this cream. So I got the cream, I got it. I got this lotion, and I started rubbing the lotion. At first the smell was not so great, but I felt, oh, because I already saw that it was nice on my friend's skin, so I decided to overlook the smell, and I continued using the lotion. So I used this lotion for like 2 weeks. I have a very sensitive skin, so I used this lotion for like 2 weeks, and I noticed that it wasn't really making me fair. It did not really brighten my skin. I'm a naturally light-skinned person. You know, in school you walk under the sun to class, you come back, you're looking tanned, and your skin is looking dull. So students, then they try to get a lotion that, you know, they can help them, you know, brighten their complexion or maintain their complexion, whatever the case may be. So I wasn't really looking fairer, or I don't know, but what I did notice was that apart from the fact that it had a strong smell, which smells like all this cream that has chemicals in it, I noticed that the cream gave me varicose vein. I still have that varicose vein or spider vein till today. I've not been able to get rid of it. I still have it, and it gave me stretch mark on my bum bum. It gave me varicose vein at the back of my knee and the side of my leg, and up till today I've not been able to get rid of that thing. I'm not really worried about the stretch mark on my bum bum because almost every girl has stretch mark on their butts, so that is not really my problem. But the one that really touched me, was the one that gave me varicose vein at the back of my knee and by the side of my leg. That's close to my thighs. Yeah, it gave me varicose vein there, and up till today I've not been able to get rid of it. Anytime I see that part of my body, I remember Pure Skin. Yes. So I would not recommend this lotion. I'm sorry. If you used it and it works for you, congratulations, but I would not recommend this lotion to anybody. Yes, and except perhaps you have plans to dilute the lotion or add anti-irritant, anti-stretch mark, and all those bubble people add to their creams, except you plan to add those ones inside the cream. But personally, I would not tell anyone to buy Pure Skin lotion. It not even make me glow, but just spoiling my skin. I don't understand. So if I knew what I know now, probably I would have been able to use that lotion and not experience those kinds of reaction. Maybe I would have added some oils, anti-irritant to it, and I would not have to experience those things. But then I had zero knowledge about skincare, so I don't even know what I was doing. I just used it the way it was. But now if I smell a cream and it has this I don't know how to, it has this sharp offensive smell, I know this cream definitely contains hydroquinone or mercury or whatever it is. I don't use those kinds of lotions on my skin. Yes, I don't use those kinds of lotions on my skin. Then I did not know, but now I know. The moral of this my story is that some don't always follow people when they are using products. Just a product might work on you and damage another person's skin, yes, and a product might damage another person's skin and be perfect on you. So don't always do follow when it comes to skincare, because this is your skin. You're going to wear this skin for the rest of your life, so you would want to take care of it. Take care of it well. So don't always do, oh, it was nice on my friend, it will be nice on me, and you end up like me that had to get varicose veins that I did not plan for. Be deliberate when buying your lotions. Always ask questions, do your research, make sure this particular lotion is good for your skin before you use. If you have a sensitive skin, I would say don't use pure skin, because you might end up experiencing irreversible skin damage. Don't come close to pure skin. I'm telling you from personal experience. And like I said, I'm not trying to castigate or bring down this product. If you have used this lotion and that works for you, please you can comment in the comment section, let us know, share with us. And if you have used this lotion and you experience any sort of skin damage, how are you able to deal with it, please also share that in the comment section. We would like to learn from you. So thank you guys for watching. I hope this video was insightful. I hope you learned from this video, and please do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not done so already. So thank you guys for watching. See you in my next video. Bye bye.